Alright, so here's a little more of the potato harvesting on the blueberry farm. I got a garden tractor full of potatoes, all russet potatoes. Potatoes like this and this will be used also for planting next year. They're the seed potatoes. It's a potato boring like that. There'll also be seed potatoes. There's a lot of potatoes here. Nice sized russet potatoes. Still not done harvesting yet. I'll go through the rows one more time. This is what it looks like. So I can keep this camera steady. So way down there is the 9N or 2N Ford tractor. And over here is the New Holland tractor. When you have a farm, you need a few tractors. Just a quick look at the blueberries. They're all done now. It was a very dry year. All the blueberries are gone now. This is the new growth on the blueberries. This will get blueberries next year. You can see a lot of that is hanging here. I'm going to do some pruning later on in the season. Usually in September, I'll start that. So again, this is a trial on the blueberry farm, growing potatoes. If you ever had farm fresh russet potatoes, you know what I'm talking about. There is nothing like the taste of farm fresh picked russet potatoes. It is so good. You gotta try it. Alright, so that's the latest on the blueberry farm again. I'm putting up a few videos of what's going on here today and yesterday, and there'll probably be one more tomorrow. So again, if you like what you're seeing, let me know. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please let me know also. Like and subscribe. It lets me know if I'm doing something that you enjoy seeing. So that's the latest on the blueberry farm again. See you again on the blueberry farm here. Thanks for watching. See you again.